We have a new focus area in our last contract with our owners, Nordic Council of Ministers in Copenhagen. Now we are going to substantial growth, environmental technology and renewable energy, Nordic innovation and growth business, health and welfare. Of course, what can we do about that? Joint Nordic cooperation projects and investments. This is example that you can see even Iceland has project going on in our fund. Manmit is now having an ongoing project in Bosnia and Herzegovina for energy in geothermal energy. Alvaret is a special. They are going to China to build a store with design and souvenirs. And Verkis, they have established a company for consulting in Ukraine. So why I am here is because that we is looking for project from Iceland. We are willing to support, of course, Icelandic companies, and we take what comes. And last year we didn't have any project from Iceland. But I do understand that you have a troubled period, so we do understand, and now it's time to change and look forward again and go outside to see what can Icelandic company doing abroad. You are so good in geothermal energy, you have consulting, engineering and IT business, so you may have some good opportunities to start up some new companies abroad, because you are a small country, and like Denmark is a small but a bit bigger, of course, so you cannot see inside in your own area, like we cannot in Denmark. We have to go abroad, and the first time we started going to the Baltic areas, now we are going further and further, and now Danish companies and Norwegian, Swedish, Finnish, going to Brazil, going to China and Vietnam, South Korea, India, Philippines. So there's a lot of opportunities around the world. We have just changed so we can now give feasibility studies for companies who has 250 employees and a turnover for 50 million euros. I think most companies here in Iceland fit in this area, like the same in Denmark. And the thing is that the company must have 1 year for establishment and have the necessary experience, know-how and resources for this feasibility study, and money for the investment. And you must not have a company in the country you want to go to. As you see, this criteria we have for funding, you see, as I told you, all around the world, not EU countries. You can make a subsidiary, joint venture, direct investment, and you have to have it clearly defined what you want to do in this project. And it has to be a long-term investment in this country, in this new market. What can we support with? We can support with 40% of a approved feasibility study costs. That means that you can apply for us if you have, for example, 100,000 euro, and if we find it suitable, we can give you 40% of that. But I can say the normal cost, the normal amount we give at that time is around 34,000 euro. And if you establish, and if you establish a company in the country you have this feasibility study, we grant all the amount. If you don't establish, you only get half of it as a grant. So when you send a bill up to us in Helsinki, we only, let's say it's about 10,000 euro, we only pay out 5,000 euro. We hand in our box the last 5,000, and if you establish, you get the rest of the money at the end of the feasibility study. And we have to see that that you have started the company. We need a paper, a registration paper, to see that you have really started a company in the area. This is our place in Helsinki, and I think we're up here. This is our small area. If you have some questions, please ask. Don't hesitate to ask. I'll stay here for a long time, so you can think about. Thank you very much.